Hey, it's another day with May where I create healthy alternatives to your favorite foods. As you find yourself clicking that like button, go ahead and slide on over to the subscribe button and click on that as well. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by March next year. Anyway, let's get to it. Today we are making a healthy hazelnut chocolate milk. First up, you will need my hazelnut milk recipe. So for that, you just need to click the link in the description below and that will take you straight to it. Now, if you already have my milk prepped and ready to go ahead and pour that into your blender. Now it's time to add your cocoa powder. The darker the cocoa powder, the more richer the taste. So it's really up to you how strong you like your cocoa flavor. Now I'm gonna add a dash of cinnamon. This is optional though. I love the taste of cinnamon. If it's not your thing, you can leave it out. Now it's time to add a little bit of vanilla. Now it's time to sweeten your milk. Today I'm going to use the Lactose Golden Sweetener. You can use whatever sweetener you want. However, this Lactose sweetener is 0 calories and doesn't actually contain sugar. Now it's time to blend it all up. And done! Here we have a beautiful creamy chocolate milk. This tastes just like a Ferrero Rocher and is definitely something that you want to keep in your fridge. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and until next time, see you later.